Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and today we will be solving a fractions word problem using bar models. So let's start. So let's read the first statement. The first statement says there are some jelly beans in a jar. So let's draw a bar for that. We are not reading all the statements, we are just reading the first statement. So there are some jelly beans in a jar which are represented by this bar. Okay, let's read the next part of the problem. 1/3 of them are purple. Okay, so 1/3, how to represent 1/3 on this bar? We'll cut it into 3 equal parts. Roughly, we are cutting it into 3 equal parts. Now, 1/3 are purple. That means one part out of these 3 are purple. So, we write P over here. Let's read the next part of the statement. It says 2/9 of them were yellow. So 2/9. How to show 2/9? We know we have cut the bar into 3 equal parts. That means each part represents 1/3. Now we want to show 2/9. Like that means 2 out of 9 equal parts. So here what are we going to do is, if we cut each of the thirds into 3 equal parts, we will get 9 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have now 9 parts. And we have to show that 2 9s are yellow. So let's shade 2 of them to show that they are yellow. So we are shading these 2. So these 2 parts are representing yellow. So 2 9s are yellow now. And the rest were orange. Okay. So rest of the parts we can show that these are orange. Okay, let's read the next part of the problem. There are 312 orange jelly beans. So now we also know 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are orange on the bar, and the number also we know. The number is 312. We can clearly see that 4 boxes or 4 parts represent 312. So one box will represent 312 divided by 4. Now when you do 312 divided by 4, you can do simply take out 200 and 112. So 200 divided by 4 will be 50. Now here also you can break it 100 and 12. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we are simply going to add these. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 3 is 78. So one box is equivalent to 78. Now, what are they asking in the question? Let's see. They are asking how many jelly beans are there altogether. So, we have altogether 9 boxes, and each box represents is worth 78. So, we can find out the number of jelly beans by multiplying 9 with 78, which is equal to 702. You can make this calculation easy by multiplying 10 by 78 first. 10 times 78 is 780, and 1 times 78 is 78. So when you take away 178, so you can do 9 times 78 as 780 minus 78, which is equal to 702. So now the answer is that there are 702 jelly beans altogether. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.